Maya, Nessa, you proceed, match on, ye crown, no, answer to the semis, then to the final. Now, her see me add the ultimate, and so at the Abba Ayaganati. Finally, I'm saying now, Empire near Bono, Etimia Bem, because not Tanzania yet. Yentimia and Showman is a competition as and said that, and when we 4-1. Fiifi shots and from few now a result I want to anticipate Yana.
Yes, at some point in time in the game, in fact, me share Tanzania for although Omunya draw against
Mali.
South Africa,
sorry.
Who are the defending champions now. Not still Mojiri see bit show because Nhyira make us say South Africa and Tanzania match a regional derby. Omunya Kusafa for. Inti all those South Africa big teams, Tanzania still can hold their own. And Tanzania for no said a big football powerhouse. When it was the same thing that happened in our game against Mali. So we have South Africa for trashy Mali phone, but we struggled to win the game against Mali because a West African derby. Now when Mihu starts on lineup, no, I was happy and I was not so happy. Why was I not so happy? The fact that your friend is saying, what's her name? Bedu and starting Nameniaji. I ain't saying Meniaji. Bedu was one of our best players in the last few years now. The form no hasn't been good there. And it means that in the starting lineup, Asanto Benya a major role to play. But even the partner on the day in Kujo was very good. Very, very good. Nipa na me Sedan Sheno and Oshaya in your first game, your boy. So much we played in a 3-back of a sort. Especially when we had the ball. Because Obo Bonsuchemo as wing back, any Mefia Yeboa as wing backs. Any kita ball on Fiifi kakra. But see, again, na 2G3. Termak born ye share first goal. No. I think that next it manage game better. If I be taker, I was worried. In fact, in the second half, but as any kita born more, especially time what's her name? Time ye changes. Emma ye princesses neighbor omoba be take on players. No, I loved it. Alright now. Me very, very much impressed by in Tanzania boy again, especially timer ye nyase abrante friend nyameche ebemu no. We say timer your boy wafu zone B a man was you know. I saw nyameche here. He was part of the team. To be very honest, me game ni na. I told myself say me ba me analyst am yin and say one of the best things we've done in our football has happened in Aketiye Sokreku and wafu zone B man born because from the commentators here the 14 girls on Mumbo Afcon be that Wafcon Omumbo be that. So we have a young team all from the Wafu girls under 18, under 16, and it's animal. And of course, when Nyameche came on, we saw the difference that she did for us. And notable mention to Ababa, a friend, no, Boy Holoka. Also very good. Good goal. Last time on the wings. This time she was more central. And I think it's a good win. Yeah, she a tough opponent, but Algeria need team and Mami Yamashishime. So fast we are not meeting Morocco now. We are not meeting Nigeria now.
They show
Algeria. I'm fine. See, you do Morocco Hona will navigate those waters.
Okay, I have remained now. Any black person in common.
I think the goals of football and Ombe cruel to us kakra. If Senka Black Queens, at least Entimian qualify from the group stage. Under this current FA, even the opposition leaders, Ejitum say this FA has done wonderfully well when it comes to women's football. And see, Nkebeye football, it's modern. If the administration now here women's football improving the quality of your league, send a Fiifi can wafu on be near book consistently,
even at the club level.
Yes, Nanka. Ye Jumani Nani a cabo muno. Now we couldn't progress from the group stages. Our man AFCON. It would have been very, very cruel to the Black Queens and women's football in general. And unim Sanke and Timian qualifier. Nobody would have looked beyond the Black Queens and visited Ghana to look at women's football and what we are doing. Because, Rich, the reflection of what you are doing with women's football will be on national women's team eba AFCON no. Because that is why you put everywhere Kawaye together na ebe reflect in your performance. Now tactically anura came here some changes be and a farmer Yabeka say Evelyn Bedu is one of our best players but tournament no on so and Sawasha your first 2 games ayabo nyina no ye ball do baby then Kim introduces Princess any adobiamo and Princess no bono and you more of pace and in chichi eti and ordinary bem when or Jesus game on stretch ya now on here will be on the pace ebebemu and the number but yesterday or started gone and on winning a penalty now am I a upper hand no and game now no you could clearly see say so bonus said no boy a man Tanzania for no more bread but on one bread on your body be over so take you on and on your penalty edema then Evelyn Bedu from the bench I don't know whether or steady game ni year no and some luck be breno Emma be share go no and a Chantal so counting one of the best performance I mean for the Black Queens with the 4th goal already near share go in the first half through a penalty and share first goal through all we can say on go but say and go febu 2002 and a share but it was the press
keep an bonus
yes a press no pressure na do two almost no all keep an club no and a born echi and a born ekoto net yes ado bia de normally obi enti obegina woni mu e dia obenya ne body ni bia e betimi abom enti Rich 3 games na ya bono we've played well but the football a resource so we said yeah no we resource because we played very very well against South Africa you both fine game against Mali Mani intiminya resource but enra we played another fine game and a lack etimi Asia yeah etimi Asia 4 goals no na men so the South Africa for be Mali 4 am adwuma na 4 man we don't need to calculate how many or any or 4 and whether we are one of the 3rd best and we went straight to 2nd I qualify yes I qualify Eddie Ekoyedim Yebeshia Algeria na Yeshia Algeria baby I nam no me say metimi dey ato say na be ankofo be hwe a very very good education say ye betimi aye say Yeshia Algeria na say yetimi ehwe Algeria and I say the winner between ye and Algeria will meet the winner between Morocco and Mali the other side no Nigeria and Zambia cracker. Then South Africa and so Ebebo against Senegal. Now until the winner between Nigeria and Zambia will meet the winner between South Africa and Senegal. That was another very very good game. That is your partner. You bet me at the community. And Rich, I think say we did very very well. And your Black Queens, you know, Abaso Omoye Jumani ye. And now na many Jimmy Yobon many papa say Omu etimi MI sa performance. No, na me can JD my memphis so pre. And I go supermarket.